back.
We back with Southern Hospitality Radio.
I love how you just change your voices like that.
Yeah, I gotta do my thing.
What's up, Pop Darby?
Cool. I'm trying to be like a little cartoon. I'm trying to get a sponsorship to be a cartoon in the movie, so I gotta keep changing my voices.
Hey, what's up with it?
Man, I'm just out here being chilling, having a good day.
Are you trying to be in a cartoon movie too?
Yeah, man, I'm totally down. I can change my
Get
voice.
to the
Do you guys know the name of the cartoon?
No.
Okay. All right. Think about it. We'll come back to that. We got Treen Bean in the building. We
And
have
Looking
some
like a
awesome
green
ladies
bean.
in the
we have
building.
special guests in the building. Since tax season is vastly approaching,
Vastly.
we'll let them introduce themselves and their company.
I'm Charmaine from CG Tax Consulting.
CG Tax
CG
Consulting.
Tax Consulting.
Okay.
Kimberly Burks.
Y'all hear that amazing voice? And she's trying to act like
She's shy.
Shy. Kimberly
A little louder.
Burks. Kimberly.
You got a voice
Burks.
like I don't even want to
Was
say
that
good. we
We gotta
we ain't even gonna go there. Okay, it's tax season, you guys.
Okay, so we're going to ask some frequent questions that people want to know about tax season. When is the first day you can electronically file?
Well, the first day to electronically file is January 23rd.
Okay.
Okay, so if I owe the IRS for previous years, will I receive my current year's tax refund?
That's going to depend on how much you're going to get. So if you owe more from last year and you're not getting as much back, then they're going to keep your money. If you don't owe quite as much, then you might get some back.
Okay, that's promising.
After filing, how fast can I get my money back?
Ms. Charmaine?
Between 7 and 28 days. But for this year, those taxpayers who will be receiving the Earned Income Tax Credit, those refunds will be delayed until after February 15.
Can I have my refund deposited into somebody else's account?
Not unless
No,
your
ma'am.
name is there.
What if I
No,
don't have a bank
ma'am.
account? What if I don't have a bank account?
Guess you're going to get a check.
I like chicks too.
Cash and they we got to talk about what people do with their refunds.
No,
too.
because you go and cash a check, they're going to take your money. I mean, some of it, to cash
They
a
don't
check,
care.
you should just go and open a bank account.
That's
But what
most
if
people do.
legally?
Most bank
I
accounts
can't.
are put it
I
that
can't.
way.
Okay, we're not going to go into that.
Go to both places.
I'll give you guys all of my business.
What are some of the basic differences this year versus last year?
Those would be the exemptions. The basic amount was $4,000 for the previous year. This year it's $4,050. The standard deduction for head of household moved up from $9,250 to $9,300. The maximum earned income credit is now $6,269 for persons who are married and have 3 dependent children. And those with 2 children is $5,572. With 1 child is $3,373. You may not get all of that amount because it depends on how much income you earn.
Married people have to file taxes differently, right?
They file jointly, or they can file separately as well.
How do you memorize all that? That is a lot of information. Just stored in your
That's a
brain.
nice accent too. Where you from?
It takes practice.
Right?
Yeah, that's reassuring though.
Super J wants to know where you from.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
From
Ooh.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
I feel like I'm in Japan
Stella
right
got a cruise back. Hey.
You should take a trip.
Damn,
now. Can you find my taxes so I can go?
tax season, we
Tax
going to
season.
Jamaica.
Give us a good refund, and we going to Jamaica. You got to come with us
Definitely.
so you can show us around.
Oh, I would love to.
I need to go to where they got some good.
Ganja. The ganja.
Please take me there first. Medication.
Negril and Ocho Rios.
Okay, I'm not gonna remember that, so I'm gonna call you find my taxes so we can go to Jamaica.
All right, so
whenever you're
this is
ready.
my question for the baby daddies and baby mamas. Can custodial parents give non-custodial parents the right to claim child exemption?
Yes.
I love how you guys are.
Look, say that twice because the baby mamas be like, you can't do that.
Wouldn't that be like
they
JD?
want to keep all the money. All the
What they
baby
say?
mamas is
What the
greedy.
baby
I
mamas say?
promise. Man, I ain't gonna talk about my life. I ain't gonna talk about my life,
I just
man.
really liked how you said it.
Man,
And that's really how they
That-
You can't do that. Right.
That is the biggest thing about tax time. People are like, they'll steal the baby to claim it.
For real.
No,
No, but
that's
for real.
true.
If
No,
y'all have a
no,
baby that y'all really don't even need, your girl. You say your girl.
I'm down.
What's the
I'm with it.
maximum amount?
Because
Say
a lot of
that, baby,
people
out here.
owe like student loans or back taxes or whatever. So how can they avoid paying? Or you can't.
You can't.
You can't.
They gonna
You have
take
to pay
it.
the government
They
their
gonna
money.
take it.
You gotta pay the
Oh, yeah.
government, and they're not playing with you.
They're not asking for it. They're going to take it.
And they can't sell their baby.
No.
I'm definitely
I mean-
sure.
I got a baby I can sell.
That boy say, I got it. Never mind. You're not going to talk.
These student loans ain't gonna stop me 2017.
These student loans are serious. Okay, so look, if they continue to email you about your student loans, should you get worried? Like, are they going to take my
You
taxes?
should go take a class at HCC.
I love that answer. Okay,
You be a professional student, you don't have to pay student.
and I don't have to pay it back. I don't have to put nothing on it
Exactly.
You take one class a semester.
for the rest
Exactly.
of
No,
my
I'm,
life.
no, but I'm serious though.
No, seriously though.
No, but right. Seriously.
Hey, that is a beautiful idea. Loophole, Texas. Link, Texas. Loophole, Texas. Okay, so if people want to find y'all, how can they find y'all?
We are located at 11406 Hughes Road, Houston. That's in the 77089 zip code.
Okay, that's Southeast Houston. If anybody.
Hughes Road, Southeast Houston.
Yeah.
Okay.
And these is the legit taxes too. This ain't like, hey, come on down. If you ain't work, we gonna
Right,
send you.
I'ma
This
make
is some,
you a job.
Yeah, this
And then
is.
they're gonna be gone as
If
soon
you-
as tax season's over. That's what happens.
We are there.
If you
No.
really want your stuff legitly done, they got you.
Exactly.
Are we building a website? Or we gonna get? You know what? I gotta get y'all this on Instagram.
Y'all
I
are
got-
on Instagram?
I gotta
You
get y'all.
gotta
on
get on Instagram. We gotta be able to give you guys a shout out.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Okay.
We gonna see a lot of you.
We're working on
Look
it.
out for them, you guys.
We have a lot of entrepreneurial followers on this show. So, do y'all also do business taxes?
Yes, we do
and
small
things like
business
that?
taxes. We do bookkeeping. We
That's
do
a
life
great-
and health insurance.
I actually have a real question.
Health
Okay.
and life insurance. You got that right? I'm just making sure.
Y'all have health and
Health?
I was just throwing that in there.
Health, life insurance,
And
and
life.
taxes. Shout out to the hustlers in the building.
I love it.
I love that. Roscoe chicken and waffles. Get your barbecue sauce on the side.
So when, as a small business owner, when do you need to start filing taxes? Like, no matter what, do you have to file, or is it?
You can keep your books every month, and at the end of the year, we can do bookkeeping as well as you can bring in your summary and your records for the year. Anytime in January, and we do your taxes for you.
Are y'all knowledgeable on all the exemptions? Like when I go out to eat, I can bring my receipt.
Oh, yeah.
with me.
Entertainment.
I know that's
You know what I'm
right.
saying? That's
You
part
better
of the
keep those
business.
Okay.
receipts,
As
Super J.
far as for business tax, this is something I really want to know. You know how you got a lot of expenses and you might use your tax ID and you don't have to pay taxes. How do that affect your refund or what you do for your business taxes?
You have a tax ID.
Yeah.
Okay, your business expenses are allowable expenses. Your meal and entertainment expenses, those are 50% allowed. So all your business expenses, meal and entertainment, those are 50% allowed.
I got
That's-
a lot of
that's-
business expenses.
And I kept all my
I got a
receipts.
lot of receipts.
I got
You know, they got apps now.
That's what I want to ask about too. What if you had a business and you didn't make any money, but you spent a lot of money?
You just showing it.
As long as it's not a hobby, your first 3 years, if you incur a loss, fine. As long as you're working towards making a profit.
Yeah.
Because if it appears to be a hobby, then it won't be considered legitimate business expense.
And they gonna think DJ in the hot.
You didn't lose.
I didn't.
You're not losing.
I was just saying. So, but if you got all your receipts, you can write all that off for like all costs.
As
and
long
everything.
as they are legitimate.
No, these are
Like, say if he got a new key.
Your equipment?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can write that off. Too.
Yeah. Those are
What about car
depreciable.
insurance? Because you know I have to insure my car.
Those are part of your
Super J, it
your car
sounds
expense.
I got
you
something I
just
don't
need
even
to
know.
go in the office.
I don't even know.
Get our
You need to
people
come
right.
on down and
Okay,
see.
yeah, we going down there. We gotta go down
We
there.
have
Bro,
no
this
choice
lady,
now.
this
y'all.
lady, man, look.
I just started my business. We got a lot of these.
I
He
know.
gonna ask all these questions, then try to do his taxes himself. Yeah,
Right.
Exactly.
don't go.
We recorded this show. We recorded. Never mind. I'm gonna just come down there. Give us the information.
You are the guy in class that always asks multiple questions. Not
At the
dumb.
beginning
No
of the
question is
semester,
dumb.
what they
Like on Pootie Tang, they kept on asking the same question. He repeats the same thing.
Side-eye. That means shut up.
We
You know
all
it's hot
trying
out
to
here.
leave.
The show is hot out here.
Yo, this hot outside, huh? Cool, it's
Hot than a motherfucker.
Okay, so again, give us your business name.
CG Tax Consulting.
I just wanted to hear you say that.
We're gonna get you some marketing
we
problems.
get you quick.
We
We
can make
can
you
sell
some
that voice like that.
Let's just say
Support
you
black
call-
business.
You
Yes,
call
please
Bring
support.
Bring, and you hear that voice on the hello.
Right?
Yeah.
Welcome to
something
the
like- Welcome to the We're doing your taxes.
Y'all get on my nerves. Thank you guys for coming to
Thank y'all for
you,
coming
ladies.
through. We gonna continue to push.
And if they didn't get the address,
What's the
Oh, yeah.
address?
The address is 11406 Hughes Road, Houston. Zip code 77089.
Okay, and you guys are going to go home and start your Instagram page so we can give you a shout out on
We
Instagram and
certainly will.
Facebook.
I'm gonna go home.
Instagram,
Twitter.
We're
Facebook,
gonna do it
commercial.
No,
before
before
you
We
leave.
might
go to
make
sleep.
a
I'm gonna go home and go to sleep.
record.
Before
label.
you do that,
Before you leave,
Make
we're
your
gonna do
Insta-
it.
I gotta be up early. I'm just saying.
it's going to take 5 minutes, okay? Alrighty, so thank you guys for coming, and we're definitely coming to file our taxes with you guys.
Thanks for having us.
Hey.
And we